The past 1 week has been crazy for UX design, including the whole AR VR trend because of Apple. But we also have a bunch of UX UI courses catering to not only AR VR skills, but in general UX UI. So let's check out some of these fantastic resources. Today's video was made possible by Creative Fabrika, a great resource for designers like us, which I will showcase during the video. The first one is new design system course by Figma themselves. So they've taken out an official playlist 2 weeks ago, and this is insane if you're trying to learn how to create design systems, manage design systems, and also use Figma as a tool in general. These are 19 to 20 minute quick videos with really good chapters, so you can select your chapter, for example, choosing the right font for your design system, typography essentials, and stuff like that. So it's an all-in-one course. So it's not only teaching you design system, but also the components of design systems. They also have a bunch of resources and files attached with these videos. You're bound to find something useful even if you don't go through the entire course as well. Now, everyone is talking about Apple's spatial design, but do you know Apple is teaching spatial design as well? The whole AR VR thing, you can learn how to design as well as develop both. Of course, they have updated this on their official Apple developer website. Even head over to topics and then design, and you will find relevant short courses of sorts designed for spatial input, for example. Great thing is you can download all the notes, you can download even the video onto your computer, so you can view it later. I personally love design for spatial user interfaces. Really cool, and it has everything that you need to learn. So 3 to 4 minute chapters, something quick, something easy. Now what's really cool is that Apple is finally on Figma. So you'll find all these resources uploaded very soon onto Figma, including the new design system for iOS 17. And super excited to see what they will bring up on Figma community. But since they're here, let's welcome them. Now, Sprinboard, as we all know, is a well-reputed organization for learning and teaching design. Now, they have a free UX resource hub, which is really cool. There are a multitude of short videos, guides, resources, and courses that you can check out. For example, if you want to get your first design job, this is a guide, well written, very well framed. They also have a 1 hour plus interaction design email course. Interesting. You can even jump to a nice free curriculum that they're providing for all of you guys. It has a mix of videos, written material, as well as guides. So this next resource is called Creative Fabrika, and they have made this video possible for you guys. They are offering a giant library of premium UX and UI element, including UI kits, design systems. So this could be like your premium library where you get all the premium resources for your projects. Except UX and UI, they even have things like 3D fonts, etc. People like us will find useful. And they have something called classes. So yes, if you're learning UX or you're learning any form of design, they're all super high quality. So whether you're a crafts or arts person or you're a UX UI designer, you'll find something for yourself. So it's also great for courses. And the best part is you guys don't have to pay anything for this for an entire month. Yes, an entire month is free for you guys. And of course, the subscription will renew. If you keep on using it, you'll have to pay for it. But for a month, you can get all these resources and the entire subscription. You can cancel anytime. They won't ask you any questions. So no risk involved. Go check it out. I'll have the link in the description. Again, thank you Creative Fabrika for making this video possible. Now, Pro App, the very popular mobile app where you can learn UX UI from, has come up with a new feature called Pro Mentor, which is an AI-powered bot essentially built into their app, where you can ask relevant UX UI based questions around career, around design, and based on your question, it'll customize its answers and answer you relevant information. This is not what you'll get on ChatGPT or any other AI platform. This is built for this platform in itself, and it has custom answers coming from pro leaders, etc. Now, I always want to share something premium also with you guys, not only just basic free courses. For something premium, I found something called SuperHi. Again, it's not brand new or anything, but this concept is really cool. Intro to user experience design, many other topics that they have courses on. You can even get their yearly subscription and check out all their courses throughout the year. They also have libraries, guides, tutorials, and ebooks that you can check out. Again, I love the whole interface design and this graphical design concept that they've brought this. Their guides are something you can get printed and put on your wall. It's that beautiful. All right, next week we are planning a complete portfolio building workshop using Framers. So you'll be creating an entire portfolio website with this entire guide. And it's actually accessible to only the first 100 people. But I'll be sitting with you guys for 3 productive hours, and we'll be truly making something beautiful in Framer, something functional, something beautiful, and something that can help you stand out in this huge crowd of UX designers. So go ahead, join me with this live session next week. The link's always in the description. Check it out. If there are seats available, grab yours as fast as possible. I hope you guys like this video. If you want me to keep on making more like these, you know what to do. Hit that like button. And I will see you every week, the same time, same place. So until next time, take care. God bless.